how are you? I'm Kristin Stampini and I help you with what virtual assistants can do to help you grow your business. It's very affordable. I mean, we get our virtual assistants from the Philippines, so it's much more affordable than hiring somebody in-house. So today I'm going to talk about local SEO and how important it is for your business if you have a storefront or if you meet people face to face. It is extremely important to focus on local SEO, and a virtual assistant can help you with that so that you can focus on money productive things in your business or things that you make the outcome change. So those are the things that you should be focused on. And local SEO can be very expensive if you outsource it, or any SEO. But if you are actually in control of what's going on in your business and your local SEO, virtual assistants can definitely help you. So one of the things in local SEO is your map pack. So everybody wants to be in map pack. You know what? When you Google a business, or you Google, let's say, local restaurants in Boca Raton, Florida, it's the things that come up right under the ads. So they come up in threes, and it's the businesses that come up right underneath the map that has reviews and the years in business. So that is where everybody wants to be, and to do that, you have to work on it. So your Google My Business, which I've talked about in other YouTube videos, your Google My Business accounts for 33% of that local map pack, okay? And then also reviews and other things. So you want to make sure that you are working to be ranked at the top of that local map pack. When we participated, actually looked at a study on it, of what people do when they are looking for businesses, the first thing they do is skip through all the ads and go to local map pack. They look at how many years in business, and they also look at your reviews and everything else. Well, virtual assistants can help you do all of this, okay? Local SEO also consists of, and it's different in every local city, so you want to make sure that you look at it, you know, for yourself. You also can look at analytics to see how you rank in SEO, and there's a lot of free things out there. Go SEO Works is one of the ways that you can look at how you're ranking and how you're doing in SEO. But you want to look at that, and you want to, number one, is Google My Business. Google My Business, if you have any business, it's your storefront of your business. So you want to make sure that you have Google My Business, you have pictures of yourself, your business, you are actually feeding it all the time. And what I mean by that is adding to it so that Google actually thinks you're a business. It's actually where you Google a business and it comes on the right-hand side usually, and it has the businesses listed there when you put in a specific business. So when you do that, you can look at that business, and it actually gives its store hours, it gives its reviews, products, services. It gives, you can add to it your social media sites. All of this is free. Okay, but you got to make sure that you're utilizing it to its highest potential. And all of this helps factor in your local SEO. So when you're pulling up businesses, anytime anybody's looking for a new business, if they aren't getting a referral or something like that, they're Googling it, okay? And so it's so important that you focus on this. And we really focus on smaller businesses with our virtual assistants, but obviously they can work for anybody. But this is so important that you're doing this and spending the time to make sure that you have a Google My Business, which is free. You're actually adding products and services and pictures to it all the time. You can also add ads to it. There's so many different things. You have to optimize your Google My Business, and that is one factor, big factor for local SEO. Also, blogging for local SEO is really important. A virtual assistant can help you blog. What we recommend, you have to be consistent. You have to make sure you are using keywords that you want to rank for. What should your blog be about? So you want to go and look at content. There's all sorts of different ways that you can go and look at what people are searching for as far as what's the best content to use. You can go on YouTube and see what's trending. You can go on Google and see what's trending in your field. There is Answerocrats, which is another thing. Like if you put in a subject, they will help you look at what questions people are answering or what people are asking so that you can create a blog on it. It's about consistency. It's about setting up the blog properly and then making sure you're utilizing that blog everywhere. So when you're also doing a blog, you also, for local SEO, you want to also focus on not just your industry blog, but also things that are happening locally. Events, charities that you are giving back to, sponsorships, different things locally. So you want to do about half and half, okay? So half your industry and then half of the things in your local industry or your local area. You want to blog on both. That helps with your local SEO. Links, backlinks back to your actual website where other companies or other businesses or charities or are linking back to sharing your link to your website. So, such as sponsorships you're doing or charity events or the Chamber of Commerce, anything like that, Women's Council of Realtors, different things that are gonna backlink back to your business is another way for your local SEO. There's so many different things that you can do, and those are some of the top things. Make sure that you are always looking at reviews are another big thing that you need to focus on. We actually just had 20 reviews taken away from us because sometimes they think, on Google, they think they're spam. They have bots, so you have to kind of figure that out. Sometimes it can get frustrating, and virtual assistants can help you with that. But also, reviews you need definitely on Google and Facebook and things like that, but also your industry reviews. So like for real estate, it would be Zillow, okay, or realtor.com or your real estate website and things like that. So anyways, those are very important things, some of the things that you need to do for local SEO, and virtual assistants can help you with all of that so that you can get free business. Just from Google My Business, we've made over $100,000 in 8 months, and all from blogging and doing different things. Follow me here. You can also follow me on TikTok for more virtual assistant tips on how virtual assistants can help your business grow. Hopefully today was some good information that you can implement, and if you like this, definitely please hit the thumbs up, comment. If you want to see certain things, let me know. Hit that bell icon. Every week I add new content for virtual assistants on how they can help your business grow. Thanks, and have an awesome week.